Oh yeah, now it stopped when I'm actually reporting the news. Anyways, what you doing? Okay, guys. Anything to say, Mom? I think this is just a regular. I think this is I think this is just a regular catch-up day. Yes, it's a regular day. We totally come outside the whole time. บ่มีหยังไม่หรอก
การล่างเป็นอันนี้
ไม่มีหยังอันนี้
ล่างคงต้องตกฝนตกสายของกำลังอันเทมเบอริน
Tambourine
งอบางหมอง
Tambourine
นี่ชื่อบดีอ่ะวินดิ
Bless me. Take a look at the mangoes. Mango fell off the tree. It fell off the tree. Can I eat that? Wait, guys, take a look at that one. Wait, where am I going? If you guys didn't see it, I don't think you saw it. But anyways, yeah. That one right there. Okay, back to the news reporting. It is very windy. It became less, but still windy. Oh my god. It's not that windy right now. Like, these fans are holding it pretty well. They're like, I'm not gonna bend because of you, wind. No. It's like, oh, no, I'm not gonna bend. Hey guys, I think that's gonna be it because I don't know what to say anymore. So, make sure to like, subscribe. I don't even know where I'm putting. And turn on the post notifications for more of these random videos.